All right, I'm Ms. Cummings, and here I am to explain to you four strategies, 4 ways to do addition using 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Okay, the first way we're going to use is called an open number line. I'm going to use purple. Here we go. 92 plus 28. We're going to start with the bigger number, 92. Okay, open number line. You see there are no numbers there. We get to create the numbers that we want to work with and start with. So instead of a number line starting with 0, going on and on and on, open number line is awesome because you can create the numbers you want to start with. All right, so 28 has 2 10s, which is 20, and it has 8 1s. All right, and that's what I'm going to use to jump ahead on the number line, right? Because we're adding. Now, you can do 1 10 at a time. I could do both of these 10s at the same time. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to do 1 10 at a time. And I call it labeling your rainbow here. We're going to add 10. So another 10 would be 9 plus 1 is 10. We still have 2 1s. So 92 plus 10 is 102. But I can't stop there because I need to go 20. We're going to do another. I'm going to scoot the label to the side here. Another 10 takes us to 112, right? Because 10 plus 1 more 10 stick gives us 11 10 sticks. All right, 112. So now we took care of the 20. We got to take care of that 8, the 8 1s. All right, we're going to add 8 1s. What's 2 plus 8? That's 10. So we're adding another 10, which takes us to 120 even. All right? If you need to put a little baby 8 down here because you don't know, 8, 9, 10, drop the 0, take the 1 next door. That's one way to do it real quick to figure out the end of that number line. All right, so here we go. That answer there is 120. Let's go to the next way. We're going to slide up. The next way has 3 names. Let me switch to my pen real quick. All right. We got a place value sketch, or you can call it base 10 form, or you can call it a quick picture. And we're doing 245 plus 266. We're going to let this column represent our hundreds. This column represent our tens. This column represent our ones. Now, I'm going to duck down under here and show you what we're about to draw. We're about to draw hundreds and into squares. Okay? We're about to draw tens, and we're going to use, hold on, the baggie's closed. Oh my gosh. There we go. We're going to draw sticks, just lines like this to represent our tens. And then for the ones, we're just going to make a little circle to represent the ones bits. All right, here we go. Now, quick tip for those of you at home who want to work on hundreds, tens, and ones at home and make it kind of fun, and you don't have all these manipulatives that we have, you can get saltine crackers for your hundreds, and you can get pretzel sticks. Let me grab them while I'm saying it. You can get saltine crackers or graham crackers to represent your hundreds. You can get pretzel sticks. I'm trying to think what else. Slim Jims maybe. What'd you say? Cheese sticks to represent your tens. All right. And then maybe M&Ms or Cheerios or miniature marshmallows to represent. I used to use Red Hots back in the day to represent your ones. All right. So here, how do we figure out 245 plus 266? So I like to put my number over here so I don't forget. 245. We'll put the 266 down here. All right, so I'm going to make 200. Woo! Sorry. Smartboard acting up. All right, we're going to make 200s, 2 squares. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5 ones in that number. 245. Okay, let's do 266 the same way. Oh my. Gotta love technology. 200s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 6 tens, and 6 ones. 65, 66. Now all we got to do is add up our ones, then our tens, then our hundreds. Here we go. Now here's the secret to this strategy working. When you get to 10, whether it's 10 ones or 10 tens or 10 hundreds or whatever, when we get to 10, we got to stop. And we say bundle it up and go next door. All right? 10 ones make 10, and 10 groups of 10 is 100, and that pattern goes on and on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just said 10. That's the magic number. I got to stop. I bundled those up into a bubble, and I'm going to go next door, and I'm going to make a new 10, and I kind of make him darker. I call it with some muscles. There's our new 10 stick from the 10 ones. And then how many ones are left? Just one. So I drop a 1 down here. Moving over to the 10s. Let's start adding up the 10 sticks. And when I say 10, everybody in the room put the brakes on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The new one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to stop. We're going to bundle all 10 of those into a weird, funky bubble. And 10 tens make 100. And I'm going to just make him darker with some muscle so we know I did bring over that new 10, that new 100, excuse me, which is called regrouping. Here we go. Now, what's left? There's one right here. There's 1 10 left. So we're going to put a 1 down here. All right, let's count our tens. Our hundreds, sorry, let's count our hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. We got 5 of those. So 5 and 1, let me take away that, and a 1 equals what? 511. All right, so I'm going to pause there, and I'm going to do part 2 with 2 more strategies in the next video. Thank you.